Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and learning all the videos of me. Very good. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. And today we are going to do a very interesting topic, and that is about colors. You know, colors, there are different types of colors. There are so many colors in this world. You know that? And see, I'm wearing a two-color clothes today. Can you see my clothes? Yes, so there are many colors in the world. Have you seen a rainbow? Rainbow has 7 colors in it. Yes. So everything has colors and that makes it colorful. This world is very colorful. Okay. So now we will learn about colors. So let's get started. Okay, so these colors that we are going to learn in today's class. First color is red. First color is red. So, apple is it red in color? See, apple is red in color. I know everyone here eats an apple. Do you eat an apple? Yes, because an apple a day keeps a doctor away, right? So, apple is in red in color. Okay, this is red color. Now next color is blue. This is blue color. This is a blue color butterfly. You know, butterfly is a bird. It's a insect. Okay, butterfly is a insect, and this butterfly here is in blue in color. Now can you tell me where is the blue color over here? Yes, this one is the blue color. Okay, so this is blue color. All right, and this is blue color butterfly. All right, now next is green. Next color is green, and here it is a green color leaf. You have seen trees, plants, leaves. They all are in green in color. Now let me show you one plant. See, this plant has leaves and it is also in green in color. Okay, see, all the leaves are in green color. All right, so this is green color. Okay, now next color is yellow. Next is yellow. Now this little twitty little bird is in yellow in color. Now I'll show you yellow color. See, what do I have with me? I have a ball, and this ball has 3 colors in it. First is yellow. See, this one is yellow color. That is this one. Okay, and next is red color. See, this is red color, which is the apple color. Okay, and next one is the blue color. Blue is the butterfly here. Okay, so this ball has 3 colors: yellow, red and blue. All right, now our next color is pink color. See, it's a very beautiful color and all the girls love pink color, isn't it, girls? All right, so this is pink color and it's a flower here because flowers has so many colors. Okay, now I have one object. See, a baby, and this baby is wearing pink color dress. Can you see this baby? Yes, this baby is wearing pink color dress. Okay, so this is called pink color. This is pink color. Okay, now next is the purple color. This is purple. Okay, this color is called purple color. Now there are many flowers which are in purple color. Okay, and do you know brinjal? Brinjal is a vegetable which is in purple in color. Yes. Okay, so our next color is brown. This is brown color and it's a teddy bear here which is in brown in color. So I know every one of you must be having a teddy bear with you, right? So teddy bear are mostly in brown in color. Okay. This is brown color. And I have one thing that you eat every day and which is also in brown color. Can you tell me that thing? Yes, that is chocolate. Do we eat chocolate every day? I know many of you eat chocolates every day, but you should not eat chocolates every day, okay? So, my point was chocolates are also in brown in color, okay? So, next is black color. This is black color. Now, here it is a crow. It's a crow, and crow is a bird. Crow is a bird which is in black in color. Okay. Now look at your hair, everyone. Your hair also are in black in color. Okay. Your hair also are in black in color. All right. Now last is the orange. See, this is orange and the picture is also orange. So, an orange is orange in color. Do you know? An orange is orange in color. Orange का color ही orange होता है. Okay. Now, see this spot over here. This spot is orange in color. See? Yes, leaves are in green in color, but the pot color is orange. Okay. All right. So I hope every one of you has understood these colors and you will learn at your home. Okay, so now the next page is identify each color and paste same color sticker below it. These are the colors that we have just learned. You will do this page at your home. It's your homework, okay? Take the help of your mothers and please complete this page. Alright, so keep practicing these colors and you have to identify these colors. Whenever you see some color, you should name it. That Mama, see brown color, Mama, see red color. Like this, you should identify every color, okay? I will see you in the next class now. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy learning.